we did the effects of mints on memory. So before I did we did the experiment, we have a research about the Washington Post and saying that peppermint and mints actually help improving your memory while alright. So the purpose of our experiment is to test the effect of sugar and mint, how they can help students to boost their memory.
Okay, so as for subjects, we used two nearby math classes, 4th period, Glody and Ferris. We thought it would be the safest way to do this because if we did it during lunch and chose randomly, we might not be able to find the same person again. We might not have the time to look for them, what if they were absent and sick. So we just chose the same math class. We did the whole class and it was a convenience sample and it's biased because it's not completely random.
So for our experimental design, we gave on 2 different days to randomize it. For each class, one class we gave mints, and the other class on the first day we did not give mints. And that way we conducted the math. We asked them to memorize the numbers, and then on the second day we flipped those classes and we asked them to memorize the numbers again. So the way we asked them, different numbers, but it was 60 in the same format so that it wasn't confusing on the mind.
Like this.
Just like that.
This is what.
So the way we asked them to memorize was we would give them the piece of paper face down. We would ask them to flip it over, look at it for 30 seconds, flip it back over, and write down however many numbers they had memorized. And we counted up until the first number that they had gotten wrong, and that way we counted who got what. We used a matched pairs design, so we did it over 2 days so that the effects of sugar wouldn't linger in the students' minds, so that it wouldn't mess up our data.
Yeah, what did it say?
Okay, these were the results for all the classes.
So in class 1, the mints, the average was 9.3 and the median was 9. And then no mints was 9.09. And then, again, you can see they're very similar with a slight increase in the average when you had mints. Yeah.
Okay. The research shows that that the mints actually did help the students memorize more, and since we conducted the experiment, we showed that there was a statistical difference between people that ate the mints and people that didn't when they on 2 different days that we conducted the experiments. So the ones that had the mint actually performed better. And something that we noticed between the 2 classes was also a learning available might be that we did a pre-calc class, I think it was honors, and we did AM PM, so there was a range of varying level of ability.
And, yeah.
Oh, we didn't talk about
About what?
Okay, so bias, we had some of the students decided that they wanted to cheat on the test. So when the paper was face down, they would start looking at it and flipping it over and writing it. So if we caught them doing that, we threw out their data because we had some extra.
Yeah, some of them would look through the light and be like.
And some students might also have a lot of sugar on the day that they had no mints. So, or they were tired,
Very
or
difficult.
more
Yes.
alert on a certain day than others. So.
I gave it up.